Hello everyone. I am going to start with metrics. Simple metrics, these are basic, straightforward measures that do not require any calculations or combinations of other metrics. Examples include total sales, number of customers, or total page views. Ratio metrics, these metrics are derived by dividing one metric by another, providing a relative measure. Examples include conversion rate, conversion/visitors, and average order value, total revenue/number of orders. Derived metrics, these are calculated using other metrics, often through more complex formulas. Examples include profit margin, revenue, cost, or customer lifetime value, average purchase value multiply with purchase frequency multiply with customer lifespan. Conversion metrics, these measure the effectiveness of converting a prospect or visitor into a desired action, such as a sale or sign-up. Examples include click-through rates, lead conversion rates, and sales conversion rates. Cumulative metrics, these track the accumulation of a metric over time, often showing growth or total values. Examples include cumulative revenue, total number of users over time, and cumulative page views. If you want to explore more, look into this link or see it in DBT documents. See the example YML configuration for simple metrics, ratio metrics, derived metrics. Simple metrics. Total_amount. Description, sum of amount. Type, simple. Type parameters. Measure, total sales, total_sales 2. Label, amount data. Price_MC. Description, sum of price. Type, simple. Type parameters. Measure, prices. Label, price obtained from another value. Total_orders 2. Description, sum of amount. Type, simple. Type parameters. Measure, total orders, total_orders 2. Label, number of orders. Ratio metrics. Total_sales_ratio. Description, fraction of active users who qualify as frequent purchasers. Label, total sales by quantity. Type, ratio. Type parameters. Numerator, total amount, total_amount. Denominator, total orders, total_orders 2. Derived metrics. Derived_metric. Description, difference between bookings now and 7 days ago. Type, derived. Label, actual amount. Type parameters. Expression, TS-PR. Metrics. Total_orders 2, alias TS. Price_MC, alias PR. Then next use Snowflake user-defined functions in DBT model. Scalar function, add-on. Purpose, increments an integer input by 1. Definition, defined using Python as the language. This function add1 takes an integer input I and returns I plus 1. Example, select add1, 3, would return 4. Table function, orders underscore for underscore product. Purpose, retrieves specific data from a table, orders, based on a product ID. Definition, returns a table with columns product underscore ID and quantity underscore sold, filtered by the provided prod underscore ID. Then next, how to call the stored proc in dbt model. In this example, the post hook section is used to define actions that should occur after the main SQL query of the dbt model. Inside post hook, call create underscore table underscore if underscore not underscore exists, test data, select 1 as number 1, 2 as number 2, is used to call the stored procedure create underscore table underscore if underscore not underscore exists with parameters test data, table name, and select 1 as number 1, 2 as number 2, select query. After calling the procedure, drop table if exists data.test.proc, drops a table if it exists. Why? Because we are creating the model. Write this model. If you are not require, you can drop it.so. That is why I used drop table if exists data.test.proc. Thanks for watching. If this is useful, like the video and take care.